Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Milia Ramadhani from Bantelingo Junior High School, and today I am honored to deliver a special report on one of the most important days in our nation's history, the Independence Day of Indonesia, celebrated every year on the 17th of August. 79 years ago, on a historic day in 1945, Indonesia proclaimed its independence from colonial rule. This moment marked the end of over 3 centuries of foreign domination, first by the Dutch and later by the Japanese. It was a day filled with hope, pride, and the promise of a free and sovereign nation. Indonesia's journey to independence was long and filled with challenges. The struggle was marked by the courage and determination of countless heroes, from early resistance fighters like Diponegoro and Tut Nyak Dien to the more recent heroes of our independence, such as Sukarno, Muhammad Hatta, and many others. Their relentless efforts and sacrifices paved the way for the Indonesia we know today, a united, diverse, and democratic nation. Every year, the 17th of August is celebrated with great enthusiasm and national pride. The celebration began with the official flag-raising ceremony known as Upacara Bendera, which takes place at the Presidential Palace in Ibu Kota Nusantara, the capital of Indonesia, and is attended by the President, Vice President, government officials, and representatives from various regions across Indonesia. The ceremony is broadcast live on national television, allowing millions of Indonesians to witness this symbolic event even from their homes. Across the country, schools, government offices, and local communities also hold their own flag-raising ceremonies to honor the day. The raising of the Sangsaka Merah Putih, the red and white flag, symbolizes the blood and courage of our ancestors who fought for freedom and the purity of our intention in building a better future for Indonesia. Beyond the formal ceremonies, Indonesian Independence Day is celebrated with a wide range of activities that reflect the spirit of togetherness and joy. Traditional games known as Lomba are a significant part of the festivities. Games such as Panjat Pinang, where participants climb a crest pole to grab prizes at the top. Balap Karung, a sack race, and Lomba Makan Kerupuk, a cracker eating competition, are held in villages, schools, neighborhoods across the archipelago. These games are not just for fun, but are symbolic of Indonesia's unique culture, heritage, and the spirit of perseverance. Parades and cultural performances also play a central role in the celebrations. These parades showcase the rich diversity of Indonesia's more than 1,300 ethnic groups. Each parade is a colorful display of traditional costumes, music, and dance from different regions, representing the unity and diversity that defines our nation. These cultural festivities remind us to our rich heritage and the strength that comes from our unity despite our differences. The theme for this year's celebration, Nusantara Baru Indonesia Maju, or New Nusantara, a progressive Indonesia. This theme was chosen because the 79th Indonesia Independence Day coincides with 3 significant milestones: the inauguration of the new capital, the presidential transition, and the journey towards Indonesia Goal 2045. These 3 events mark a major traditional period for Indonesia. It reflects our collective journey not only to achieve independence, but also to build a strong and resilient nation. As we face new challenges in this modern era, from economic development, environmental sustainability, to maintaining unity amidst diversity, the spirit of our Independence Day reminds us to work together and uphold the values of our Constitution and Pancasila. This day is also a time for reflection, to remember the sacrifices of those who came before us and to consider our own roles in shaping Indonesia's future. It is a reminder that independence is not just a historical event, but a continuous effort. It requires every citizen to contribute positively to our society, whether through education, innovation, or simple acts of kindness. As we celebrate this moment today, let us honor the courage and determination of our heroes who fought for freedom. Let us continue to build a better Indonesia, united in our diversity, committed to progress, and guided by the values of justice and equality for all. With that, I conclude today's special report on Indonesian Independence Day. Thank you for your attention, and may the spirit of independence continue to inspire us all. Merdeka!